What's up, guys? I am going to be sharing with you where our graphics are. These are high def graphics, so you should be able to blow them up pretty well. They are in a PDF format. Hopefully they help you out. These are shortcuts. I am a very big proponent, very similar to Paul Akers. I don't like a lot of written things, but when you're introducing something brand new, I really do love it for the concepts to be able to have, a physical piece of paper or something laminated in my hands that's front and back that I can use. So we're gonna get to it right now. As with all of my free resources, if you aren't aware, I have free leading resources on my website. You go to hughcarnahan.com, navigate to the top left, click on free resources, and it brings you to this communities page. This community page, if you've never logged in before, you sign up, you create an account, and basically it makes it very easy for me to maintain and update resources. Once you are logged in, there's a free resources tab. You click on that and it brings you to here. And this is what I'm talking about. We have the 3S graphics, 8 waste graphics, and 6 office wastes. If you want to read about them, you can click in here. But anyways, you click in, this will bring you to a general share drive. If you want the 8 waste download, you click on this, and this is a PDF file. You can download this, right? This is the 8 wastes. You have the 8 waste story here, right, that we use in our slides. Check out the other videos. And then little descriptions of them. If you really want to deep dive, right, some of the 3S focuses of the week I've made in the past are 3S focus of the week is going to be overproduction. Then later, 3S focus of the week will be inventory, whatever it may be. Whatever you want your company to focus on, that's what you deep dive into. And then at the bottom, we have a cheat page with everything. I would not overwhelm everybody and say, do all of these all the time. I would pick one a day to do, and then relate that one a day to the 8 waste story. All right, same thing, 6 office wastes. This is brand new. People who are really nitty gritty and lean, they completely understand that the 6 office wastes are in fact repackaged 8 wastes. But the reason why we rewrote them, a huge shout out to Seating Matters. And the way it worked was Seating Matters went above and beyond, out of their way, and they have the 6 design wastes, and then they have the 6 marketing wastes. And I kind of combined the two of them with the 8 wastes and created the 6 office wastes, because so many people, so many new companies have a really hard time translating office wastes to their office staff. Or if you're in a software company, you don't make things. Predominantly, most of your work is on a computer. This is a great way to do that. So you can check out the 6 office wastes here. It's in a story format. It starts up here at Wasted Employee Genius, and it goes all the way around, right? And I can do a deep dive into these, but I'm not gonna do that in this video. This is just where to find the tools. All right, so you look through there, blah, blah, blah. Same thing, if you wanna focus on one, and then at the end, there's a little cheater page that has all of that info. And the last one we have is why hold morning meetings. You'll notice this says 3S. By the time you look at this meeting, I'm still working on those slides. By the time you actually get over here, you might already be able to find them, but I am, again, creating a cheat sheet. 3S, sweep, sort, standardize. Then you can have front and back that make it a very strong visual control, easy when you're introducing, right? Again, I would not print these into posters and put them on the wall, because people don't pay attention to things on walls. You go house blind, right? Don't pay any attention to anything that's been up for a long time. Instead, focus on really, really learning it, and that's why everything is in a story format. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, please take this. If you got value from it, please share this with someone else you think will get value from it, or someone that you like, or share it with someone you don't like. Anyways, guys, remember to go out there, fix what bugs you. I'll see you next time. Woo!